Kingston Technical High School students charged with the murder in the fatal stabbing of schoolmate. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 17-year-old female student at the Kingston Technical High School has been charged with the murder of 16-year-old Michian Campbell. The teen was charged yesterday by the Kingston Central Police. The fifth form student is set to appear in the family court in downtown Kingston on Friday of this week. Michian lost her life on the school campus last Thursday when she was stabbed by her fellow schoolmate. Michian was rushed to hospital by the school dean of discipline. However, she reportedly passed away on arrival. The fatal stabbing has left the nation shocked as the police carry out their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.